Howdy team, this is part 2 of converting your website into an Android app. Today we'll be changing the color scheme and app icon. Alright, so now we're going to update all the colors and stuff to take it away from the default green and update the icon for the app as well. So for that, if we just head down to values under res, you got colors, strings, styles. We'll open colors. These are your default colors. That are sort of set under these variable names. So if you go to styles as well, you'll see that they're being referenced here. So it's best if we just change these. You can change these directly here if you want, but it's better practice to change it from here and store them properly. So with your primary color, that's obviously just whatever the main color is you use for your branding. So for me, I'll just have a sort of dark branding. The primary dark is obviously going to be darker. And then accent color. Oops. 8100. That's my orange. Cool. So now if we boot up the app, it should update these colors. All right. Yeah. Pops open and you can see at the top straight away there that the top bar's dark now. I haven't used the accent in any of this. But yes, that's how we update that top bar. I personally don't like the look of the top bar. So to get rid of that, all you have to do is come back over to styles.xml and parent app compat light dark action bar. We just changed that to no action bar. It's worth noting here as well, if you make an update or if it makes a suggestion, you can hit tab and it will enter that suggestion for you. So we'll rerun the app. And now we can see that top action bar is gone. Might just chuck the app. Okay, I've just put the app onto the home screen and you can see here that it's using the default Android icon, obviously. So we will update that. All right, so to update the app icon, if we go to app, res, right click on res, and we go new image asset. This will generate our icon properly because users can choose how the icon is displayed in their operating system rather than just giving it a static image. So this is a bit of an icon builder that's built in. It's really easy to use. So you've obviously got your foreground and background. So for background, I'm just going to set this as black. Yep. Foreground layer, I will select an image. Gotta go find it. Okay, so I've made a PNG that's on a transparent layer so that I can use the background embedded into this system. Obviously, you can just go ahead and resize that to get it how we like it. Cool. Next. Yep. Let it override everything. Finish. Perfect. All right, we'll boot it up now and we'll see if that updated. All right, so it's just loaded the new version. We'll go back. Yep, and we look there, we got the new updated icon.